Hi, today is my husband's birthday and I'm making him chicken mole. I bought roasted chicken and I tore it up to strips and I used this. I don't know how to make my homemade mole, but I'm going to learn. But I used this Donna Marie mole ready to serve in a carton. I like it better. This brand here is very light and it's not too spicy like the jar ones. So I like buying that one. And I do add some vegetable broth to it. But so this is my husband's birthday dinner. Chicken mole with a pot of beans. And I made a salsa.